Good afternoon, Steve over Steve's Car says. Am I a bit black? I've been doing work again. I mean, seriously, I've got to stop doing this work malarkey. I mean, seriously, cleaning living. Oh yeah, I've got to put that away. All these things to do. Seriously, I think I'm like black everywhere. Anyway, today's the day where I get to show you something amazing. Okay? So, follow me this way. So, I have the Rolls. Yes, the double R. Yes, I have double R. So, this is how, well, I'll tell you what, I just received a very fancy box, but let me show you. So, double R in the garage. Now, very fancy box, flying spares. Yes, in that box is about £600 worth of parts. And we've just scratched the surface. But, job number one, the headlights, okay? Bulb's working, bulb's not working. Easy fix. But before I do that, let's get the bulbs. So, it is super simple, okay? The only thing we needed was that. Screwdrivers, bulb, hammer. You're like, Steve, why do you need a hammer for a Rolls? Of course you do. It's a Rolls. So, all you have to do, okay, step by step. And then now, trying to hold the camera while doing this, it's a little bit tricky. So, do. Now, this has got a long thread on it. And then behind it is a little plastic screw. Well, not a plastic screw, should I say. Like a dowel. So, it just helps guide it. So if I pull that out, over there, it'll fall down, but it's okay. So all you gotta do is lift it out slightly, and then you lift it up. Okay, now I'm gonna let go of the camera for a sec. Come back. So on the dirty bonnet, because I left it outside the other day. So there you go, there's a screw, there's the plastic piece, and there it is. So it's nice and simple. All you gotta do is remove the seals, okay? One there, so you don't confuse them. Actually, I'll put them in there. That'd be easy, wouldn't it? There we go. Right, now all you gotta do is undo, and then happy days. But what I tend to find works better is, one second, have a look in there. Yeah, as I thought. So what I tend to find works better, okay, so you got these, you just do a couple of screws to the left, and then it turns off, okay? So, I shall show you. So everyone needs to know how to change a bulb on a Rolls. Well, this is it, Stevie's 101 tuition. There we go. And then somewhere here, just a couple of turns. There we go. And then what you do, turn to the right, and then it's like the cover. Now trying to drop it, trying to do this one-handed is not the best. There we go. Okay. Right, so that I'll put over there. And it's nice and simple. So, see that connection there? So if you put the bulb, because obviously it would fail an MOT. I know it's MOT exempt. Okay, so let me just unplug this. I'll have to be really careful. Okay, nice and simple, really, isn't it? Yeah? And then all you now need is to put that there. And then you get your trusty hammer. And you're like, Steve, I still can't understand. The hammer, yeah. It's safer if you do it over here. One second. Let me do it there. So. There we go. Fixed. I mean, I'm a genius, aren't I? I mean, come on. That part's MOT now, look, because the bulb, it's just in there, isn't it? So, hashtag winning Steve. I know, I'm here all day. Anyone who wants their bulbs changing, I'm your man. So, what you actually have to do, believe it or not, is buy new headlamps. Yes, because Rolls Royce double R owners don't change bulbs. You silly Billy, you. Why are you so silly? So yeah, it's on the floor. It's a brand new headlight. Only double R's. Now, safety glass on because I had to cut a bit of the retaining ring just to fit it probably. But look at pow! All lights working. But no. Fucking Rolls Royce. So, this is the most expensive bulb change in human history. So, that's your main beam. Now, if you don't know how to do a main beam on a Rolls Royce, all you gotta do, when you jump in, oh, see you've got the little blue lights in there. By your foot, down there. There you go. That's how you... I mean, seriously. God, love this shit, man. So, what I didn't realise yesterday... Well, actually, it's just gone. Just fitted. No, that one's gone. Why me? Why me? Fucking hell. Do you know how expensive these freaking things are? Anyway. Ignore it, Steve. Carry on.